Good day everyone, I'm Jan Derek P. Ables with my group mates Clark Jason Nazareno, Roy Wilson P. Lahon, Ezekiel Jan Agus, Hans Christian Villanueva, and Gabriel Ramirez. We're here to present our group work in applied business tools and technology. The hospitality industry is rapidly adopting new technologies that are transform hotel operation and guest experiences. From smart rooms to all-driven services and automated check-in. These innovations are enhancing efficiency and personalization. This report explore the latest advancement in hotel technology and their impact on both guests and staff, highlighting the industry shift toward more streamlined and sustainable operations. We have here an example of hotel and some of their technologically advancement. Let's proceed to the next slide.
Okura Hotel. Okura Hotel Manila is a luxury hotel near Ninoy Aquino International Airport, offering Japanese-inspired room, authentic dining, a rooftop pool, and modern amenities. Combining elegance and Filipino hospitality, it provides a refined retreat for leisure and business travelers. And here are the technological advances of Okura Hotel. Smart room features. Many Okura hotels, including the flagship Okura Tokyo, incorporate smart room technology. This allows guests to control room lighting, temperature, and entertainment system through in-room tablets or smartphones. AI-powered concierge. Some Okura properties have integrated AI-driven chatbots or virtual concierge to assist guests with requests, reservation, and local recommendations. This system uses natural language processing to respond to guest inquiries in real time. Robot assistant. Robot hubs been deployed in Akura Hotel to perform tasks like delivering room service, cleaning, and even guiding guests around the property. This robot utilizes AI and advanced sensor to navigate the interact with guests. Keyless room. Entry. Many Okura hotels have adopted keyless entry system, allowing guests to unlock their rooms via a smartphone app, streamlining check-in and reducing the need for physical keys. Virtual and augmented. Re- Reality. Some Okura Hotel have explored the use of VR and AR for both entertainment and practical purposes, such as virtual tours of the hotel or local attraction, enhancing the guest experience in a more immersive way.
Soler Resort and Casino is a five-star luxury hotel in Manila, Philippines, featuring world-class accommodation, dine-in, and entertainment. The hotel offers lavish room and suite with view of Manila Bay or the city skyline. My Solar Mobile. Guests can use this app, manage reservation, examine rewards, balance, check membership status, and get details about events, promotion, and dine-in deals. Additionally, it offers customer access to exclusive mobile games. Digital transformation effort. Advanced digital systems are integrated by Solar to improve operational efficiency and offer individualized service using analytics to improve decision making and putting energy efficient technology into practice for sustainability are two examples. Automated and enhanced service. The resorts emphasize on mobile platform and optimizing digital interaction, suggest and shift toward contactless and automated guest service. Even though specific regarding robot, butlers or automated check-in at Solarware are not addressed.
Shangri-La Hotel. Shangri-La Hotel is luxury accommodation known for exceptional service, elegant design, and prime locations. They offer a spacious room, fine dining, wellness facilities, and a blend of modern luxury with local culture, catering to both business and leisure travelers. Next slide, please. Technological advancement. Smart room controls. Rooms are equipped with LOT-enabled devices that allows guests to control lighting, temperature, curtains, and entertainment system through touch panels or mobile apps. Facial recognition. Technology facial recognition is used for seamless check-in and room access, reducing the need for physical keys. Mobile key and digital concierge. Guests can access the rooms and interact with the hotel using mobile apps, which offer digital keys, room service ordering, and itinerary planning. High-speed connectivity and smart meeting solution. Hotels are equipped with high-speed Wi-Fi, hybrid meeting platform, and video conferencing technologies for business travelers.
Okada Manila. Okada Manila is a luxury integrated resort and casino located in Parañaque, Metro Manila. Opened in 2016. It features a vast casino, a five-star hotel with over 990 rooms, diverse dining options, live entertainment, and a worldwide renowned fountain, the largest dancing water fountain in the world. The resort also offers a spa, wellness center, shopping outlets, and high-end amenities, making it a premier destination for gaming, relaxation, and entertainment. Next slide. Smart rooms. The resort features smart rooms equipped with voice-activated systems that control lighting, temperature, and entertainment features, providing an immersive and personalized experience. Advanced security systems. Okada Manila uses advanced surveillance, security systems, and facial recognition technology to detect band patrons, including criminals, terrorism suspects, and responsible gaming risk. The system triggers alerts before security personnel escort them away. Robotic assistance and AI-powered customer service. Okada Manila has integrated robots and AI-based systems to assist the tasks such as concierge services, room delivery, and providing information. This helps create a futuristic, high-tech experience for guests while also improving operational efficiency. High-tech bathrooms. Okada high-tech bathrooms are blend of modern luxury and convenience, featuring smart toilets, touchless systems, automated lighting, and advanced shower technologies. These bathrooms not only enhance user experience but also contribute to environmental sustainability through water-saving technologies. Designed for those who appreciate technology and luxury. They create a spa-like atmosphere, elevating the standard of modern living and hospitality.
Conrad Manila. Conrad Manila is luxurious hotel located in the heart of Manila, Philippines, offering stunning views of Manila Bay. This contemporary hotel features spacious room, world-class amenities, and exceptional service. With its firm location, elegant design, and top-notch facilities, Conrad Manila is ideal for business traveler, leisure seeker, and those seeking luxurious comfort. Next slide, please. Technological advancement. Smart room. Conrad Manila features innovate voice-activate system controlling lighting, temperature, and entertainment, providing personal experiences. Advanced security. Conrad Manila employs state-of-the-art surveillance, facial recognition technology, and security system to ensure guests' safety and detect potential risks. Intuitive technology. The hotel's room featured tablet-based interface for seamless control of amenities like TV, internet, and curtains. High-tech bathroom. Conrad Manila luxurious bathroom showcase modern convenience with smart toilet, touchless system, automated lighting, and advanced shower technologies, prioritizing comfort, hygiene, and sustainability. And
And
that's
that's
all.
all.
Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening. Thank you.